guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are actually going to be playing around with some new makeup. I know I haven't been around, I apologise. I had a lot of messages from you guys saying things like, where are you, why are you not been filming? There's been a lot going on, let me just put it like that. Life's been pretty busy, I have been working a lot. I was actually not well as well, so there's just been a lot going on. But I am back and I am going to try and do some kind of schedule. Thank you guys for sticking around. And I know I said I was going to do a little giveaway when I got to 5k. So we are going to be doing a little mini giveaway in this video. If you guys would like to get your hands on one of the new Tammy Revolution collabs, then stay tuned in this video because I am going to be giving one away. It's just a little thank you to you guys for still sticking around because I know I have been off the scene for like a month or so. So just make sure that you are liking, subscribing and that you do have the little notification bell thing on. It's not a huge giveaway, I will have more giveaways in the future and stuff, but I just feel like I have to give back to you guys for all the support. I'm going to stop rambling, I'm just going to get into this video. As you guys will have seen, I did actually pick up a few of the Revolution Forever Flawless palettes. I know I can't say this, so if I butcher it I do apologise. The Constellation palette, which looks like this. It is the Galaxy palette. Today we're just going to use this palette and I'm going to try and come up with something as creative as I possibly can. I'm just going to go with the flow. We're just going to wing it completely and we'll see what we come up with. I think we definitely have to use this pink. If you guys want to be in with a chance to win one of Tammy Revolution's tropical, is it Tropical Carnival? I think it's Tropical Carnival. Well, anyway, we'll call it the Carnival palette. Write down your favourite festival, whether it be like Tea in the Park, Colour Fest, whatever it is. Write your favourite festival in the comments, let me know, and also let me know if you want to be entered into the giveaways. And I'm not too sure how long I'm going to run it for, but I will put dates and all the information and stuff in the description. So yeah, that's about it, to be quite honest.
You are my pill, I swallow it. Take me away to Neverland, where colors fade my disbelief and make me forget my memory. Rent a car you can't afford, put on a song that we both know. Let your hair out in the wind, put the pedal to the floor. Flame your light and take a smoke. Put your broken rip off, wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down, we'll still be up, still be up. Don't care about the place we found, we'll still be up, still be up. We're in this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up, cause we will still be high when the lights out. The time is still, stay in the daydream, chase the thrill, make up the way as we go, live for the moment, lose control. Rent a car you can't afford, put on a song that we both know. Let your hair out in the wind, put the pedal to the floor. Flame your light and take a smoke. Put your broken rip off, wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down, we'll still be up, still be up. Don't care about the place we found, we'll still be up, still be up. We're in this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up, cause we will still be high when the lights out. the lights off.
Every time I'm going out, the same things keep happening. New boy, same tricks. Coming close to me now, trying to be smooth. So here we go again, here we go again. You're trying to buy me drinks, and I don't like your cheap tricks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya? I don't know what you think, but I'm not one of those chicks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya?
You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me.
Looking like a movie star, you try to pick me up in your new sports car. I think it's called a Jaguar. I don't give a damn, I got money on my mind. I can see you want me bad, but your pretty moves kinda make me sad. Oh boy, you must be mad. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too Trying to impress me, but I don't care about your Rolex or your credit card. Rolex or your credit card. But still you won't quit. Trying to be cool, so here we go again. Here we go again, again, again.
You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me.
Looking like a movie star, you try to pick me up in your new sports car. I think it's called a Jaguar. I don't give a damn, I got money on my mind. I can see you want me bad, but your pretty moves kinda make me sad. Oh boy, you must be mad. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. Trying to buy me drinks, and I don't like your cheap tricks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya? I don't know what you think, but I'm not one of those chicks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya? Looking like a movie star, you try to pick me up in your new sports car. I think it's called a Jaguar. I don't give a damn, I got money on my mind. I can see you want me bad, but your pretty moves kinda make me sad. Oh boy, you must be mad. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot.
So this is the final look. I have experimented with the Revolution Forever Flawless Constellation palette. I basically just used the bright colours from this palette because that was the colours that mainly attracted me to this. So I used the colours Cosmic Purple, which is right here. I used this for basically the overall sort of shape of my eye. Then I went in with this pink shade called Venus, which is the pink shade that's like on the top half of my eye. And I did also go in with a little bit of Neptune, this blue shade here, and I did also sort of deepen out that V area, if you want to call it. I did also go in with the shade Solar here, which is that gold colour, and I did actually put that in my inner corner. I did also use another product, which I don't know if I'm going to talk about just now because I haven't, like, let's just say I haven't made my final decision on it yet. I have actually used this glitter. I can't really talk about this glitter just now, and yeah, that is the glitter that is on my eyes. I did actually just go into the waterline with some of the Revolution Pro white pomade. This is just a pigment pomade and it just looks like this. and I do have some lashes and stuff on. But yeah, this is the overall look. Let me know what you guys think of these palettes. Have you tried them yet? Have you tried this palette? What do you think of it? Let me know in the comments down below. Oh, I also forgot to tell you that I did actually use the shade Saturn, which is this green shade here. I'll just give you guys a little swatch. I've got this shade under my eyes. This is the one that's on the bottom of my waterline. On my lips is just a mishmash of different lip glosses as well. And Ava's just decided to come in.
For dinner.
What do I want for my dinner? I would like chicken fajita pizza.
Okay.
Pizza!
Okay.
Thanks, baby! Just Ava coming in to see what I want for my dinner. So, yeah. Yeah, so this is this look. I hope you guys do enjoy it. We'll just leave a link, or I'll leave like a little description of all the places that you can get this, because it has kind of changed a little bit. So yeah, that is all for this video. Do not forget, I'm doing a little giveaway in this video, so make sure that you do follow the rules. So yeah, do not forget to please like, subscribe, comment, all the usual jazz, and I shall see you guys in my next video.